add headings in Google Docs. So guys, here I have already opened my Google Docs. So if you want to open your existing documents, so just log in with your Google Drive, and here you can see find your all documents, or you can filter the documents if you want to find only documents. So just click here in search bar and click on documents, then all documents types file will be open here, and you can see and you can find easily, or you can search by name. Or if you want to create new documents, just click on here and go to the documents and create new document. So I just create new one, so it is opening now. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. So let's go ahead guys. So just I open my new document. You can rename from here. If you want to rename, just rename whatever you want. I just okay. So here if I type anything, like netcast web text zone, okay. So if I click over the any tags which have in docs, so here you can see this is the toolbar. Okay, if you don't find this toolbar, you have to click on this arrow. This toolbar will be open. Now if I select this text, or if I put the cursor within the text, and here you can see there is a normal text. If you want to convert, so now if you want to convert in heading, so you can just select or click within the text and just click on this arrow, and you can convert as a title, you can convert as a subtitle, or there is a heading, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So you have to select the which heading you want. So I just select heading 1 and just have to apply the heading 1. Or you can also use the control shortcut keys, which is control alt and plus 1. Just click on it, then it will be converted in heading. So you have to check here. So if you want to check heading, just select the text or just click within the text, and here you can check this is heading 1. So if I type another text, so if I click within this, it is normal text, or you can change again with the heading 2. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.